How to become an Azure Solutions Architect. 3 easy steps. Step 1. Master Azure with SSDN Technologies. Kickstart your journey by enrolling in comprehensive Azure training with SSDN Technologies. Our expert-led courses ensure a solid foundation in Azure Solutions Architecture, covering essential concepts and hands-on skills. Step 2. Excel with our expertly crafted Azure Prep Kit. After completing your training, elevate your expertise with our specially designed Azure Prep Kit. Meticulously curated by industry professionals, ensuring you're ready to tackle any challenge. Step 3. Secure your certification with discounted exam vouchers. Take the next step towards becoming an Azure Solutions Architect by applying for certification. As a bonus, enjoy exclusive discounts on exam vouchers when you apply through us. Maximize your savings and increase your chances of success on the certification journey. Visit now for detailed information. ssdntech.com